Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to allow TikTok to access your camera and microphone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first option right here is that we are going to trigger. So the first one, go ahead and open up the TikTok app and tap the plus sign right here. Now, as you can see here, there'll be a pop-up. It says allow TikTok to take pictures and record video. There's a set. So tap on while using the app or only this time. If I were you, if you want to set it up, like set it and forget it, okay, tap on while using the app, as well as the record audio while using the app as well. And once that's done, we should be good to go. Now, if that will work, okay, if you don't have that pop up, well, just go ahead over to the permission settings. Yours might be different. On your iPhones, it might be different. Okay, just find the permission section. So for Android, tap and hold on the app icon, tap on information, and then go to permissions right here. Now, if microphone and camera is set to not allowed, well, just go ahead and tap on it and allow it, okay? And it will be listed right here. That is it. That's how simple it is to allow TikTok access to your camera and microphone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.